Construction of group multiplication table for water molecule. This point group C2V. All the algebraic properties of a group can be combined in the form of a table called group multiplication table or GMT. If there are h elements in a group, then the GMT contains h rows and h columns. And each column and row are labeled by the symmetry elements of the group. The entry inside the table under a column and along a row. It is done by multiplying the row element with the column element. And in a GMT, it is a rearranged list of all elements present in a group. And it should be noted that no two rows or columns may be identical. So now we are going to discuss about the group multiplication table of water molecule. And the point group of water molecule is C2V. And it contains the symmetry elements E, C2, sigma V and sigma V prime. That is C2, that is along the Z axis, along C2 axis, 180 degree rotation. Then we have the two sigma planes, sigma V vertical planes passing through the C2 axis. The first one is sigma V, or it is sigma V y z. The second one is sigma V prime. We can name it as sigma V x z. So this is the x axis, this is the y axis and z axis, and the rotation is performed along the z axis, and we are calling, as it is 180 degree rotation, we are calling it as the C2 axis of rotation. So here the water molecule is shown and the C2 axis of rotation is shown, and the two sigma V planes are also shown. So as we discussed, it is, notice that it contains four symmetry elements, that is E, C2, sigma V, then and sigma V prime. Okay, and it can be visualized from the figure here. Then this is the model of a group multiplication table. That is, here we are written the point group C2V, and each row and column are labeled by the symmetry elements, that is E, C2, sigma V, xz, sigma V, yz, and here also E, C2, sigma V, xz, sigma V, yz. And next, these entries are done by multiplying these elements. That is, here we have to write what is E into E, here C2 into E, here sigma V into E, here sigma V prime into E, and here C2 into E, C2 into C2, C2 into sigma V, C2 into sigma V, then sigma V into E, then sigma V into C2, sigma V into sigma V xz, sigma V into sigma V yz, and of course sigma V yz into E, sigma V yz into C2, and sigma V yz into sigma V xz, and sigma V prime into sigma V prime. That is be done, and the entries should be written here. And we can find out how they are transformed and what are the transformations done. This is the water molecule, identical one, OHA, HB. On doing identical operation E, there will be no change. Again doing E, it will be equal to E. Then E followed by C2. And so on doing C2, the hydrogen atoms are interchanging their places. HA comes in the place of HB and HE. And that is of operation C2. Then on doing E and sigma V, the result will be sigma V. Doing E and sigma V prime, the result is sigma V prime itself. Okay, so we can say that E into E will be equal to E, and E into C2 will be equal to C2, and E into sigma V is equal to sigma V xz, and E into sigma V yz is equal to sigma V yz. Or generally we can say that any symmetry element into E will give the same symmetry element as the result. So we can fill the first column or first row as E, C2, sigma V and sigma V yz. Okay, then the next column, when we are moving to the next one, that is with the C2 operation. So we can look at what happens. It is C2. On doing C2, what happens? The HA and HB changes their positions, or now we have the C2 configuration, and doing E, C2 into E will be equal to C2. Then C2 will give the C2 operation. Again C2 operation will move to the first geometry, that is E. Then C2 will give, interchange the HA and HB, then sigma V xz, it will give HB here and HA here. It will be equal to, or this will be same as C2, but we have to notice that rotation into reflection, it will give an operation called reflection. So the answer will be sigma V YZ. Then C2 into sigma V YZ, the result will be sigma V XZ. You can say that C2 into E will be equal to C2 and C2 into C2 equal to E. Or we can say that the same operations doing 2 times, it will give the identity here. C2 into sigma V is equal to sigma V and C2 into sigma V prime is equal to sigma V prime. So we have got the second row as C2, E, sigma V and sigma V prime. Then the third row, sigma V into E will give sigma V XZ. Sigma V XZ into C2 will be sigma V XZ, that is rotation into reflection, it is giving reflection. Then sigma V into sigma V, doing 2 times the same operation, it will give E. Then sigma V into sigma V, it is C2, that is reflection into reflection will give rotation, or rotation into rotation will give reflection, and reflection into rotation and rotation into reflection will result in a reflection operation. So the third row will be like this, sigma V prime E and C2. Then we have to fill one more column that will be same as this one. The same properties will be repeating, that is the sigma V prime C2 and E are got as a result. And on filling this all, that's E into E is equal to E, C2 into E, C2, sigma V into E, sigma V prime into E, sigma V prime, and E into C2, C2, E into sigma V XZ into sigma V XZ, and here so C2 into E, C2 into C2, E, rotation into reflection, reflection, and again, and sigma V into E, sigma V into rotation, reflection, E, C2, then the last column sigma V YZ, sigma V XZ, C2 and E. So this is the group multiplication table for the point group C2V, and it is to be noticed that there should be no repetition along any row or any column. Okay. So this is the group multiplication table for water molecule or C2V.